Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to make a simple yet delicious fruit salad. I'm going to be using the fruits that I had on hand, but you can use whatever fruit that you like. Today I have banana, strawberry, grapes, a navel orange, and an apple. I'm also using yogurt topping. Here I'm going to add my strawberries, which I washed and cut in half. Now I'm adding my apple, which I cut the core out and cut into little squares or little blocks. You can also squeeze some lemon also on your apple so it won't turn so fast. I'm adding grapes that I also washed, and these are seedless grapes. Now I'm going to add my navel orange, which I peel and cut into little blocks. And then I'm going to add my bananas. Now you're just going to toss the fruit around, try to get the ones at the bottom at the top, and just kind of mix it up. Now I'm going to add my yogurt topping, which I use vanilla. You can use whatever yogurt topping that you like. You can use strawberry, you can use blueberry, whatever kind that you would prefer to put on top of your fruit. Now you just mix this up. You kind of toss the bottom on the top and the top on the bottom just to kind of get the yogurt in between all of the fruit. Here comes the extra treat, a little drizzle of honey. Yummy! How delicious. And here you have it, a simple yet delicious fruit salad. If you haven't already, like this video and also subscribe. Until next time, bye.